We are going to focus on how to um, download the various resources, though that is the NCRT from Knowledge Valley website. Secondly, the UPSC syllabus, and third, the various files. So when you go to any browser, just type Knowledge Valley website, that is www.knowledgevalley2017.com. Open this. Once you open it, you will see the first page, and in that, what we do. You just need to scroll down, and here you have the various files which are present. So maintain these files, important for your UPSC exams. Make the files, it will be helpful for your exams. Then you have the various resources that we have. You should go to the resources, press the three lines on top and go to the resources, and then in the resources you will find syllabus. Just tap the syllabus, and there it will be downloaded. You have the syllabus which is being downloaded. After that, if you scroll down, you have the history NCRT, ancient India, medieval India, modern India, that is Bipin Chandra, R Sharma and Satish Chandra. Then you have part 1, part 2, part 3, and Indian culture and introduction to Indian art. This is your NCRT. Then you have geography NCRT 1, class 11 part 1 and 2, class 12 part 1 and 2. That is fundamentals of physical geography, Indian physical environment, human geography, India and people. Sociology NCRT and polity NCRT, political theory, constitution, world politics. So these are all important NCRTs that you have. You need to download over here if you are not having the NCRTs, and use it. So that's the resources. Okay, so resources you'll also find, if you go to Knowledge Valley website. Okay, you touch the three on top. You'll find gallery, where you can see the pictures which are there, where the activities that Knowledge Valley conducts. Then you have our results. We have our results from railway service and UPSC and banking and various other results that we have. The faculty are esteemed faculty which are there, and what is our mindset, an idea, resources that we have just seen, and then about us. This is important, about us. So what we do, what are our objectives, how we do it, all everything is present over here. Okay, so uh, please watch it nicely and use it for your purpose. And yeah, these articles on top are also important for your various exams. We have the various articles which are present. You can see the articles and use it for your exams. Thank you.